Auroville is an international township located in the south of India and was founded in 1968 as an experiment in human unity, sustainability, and spiritual research. The ideal of human unity, which was already present at the dawn of civilization, has never appeared so close to realization. But paradoxically, the closer we come to it, the more it seems difficult to achieve. It's as if at the onset of the 21st century, the need for human unity has never been so great. And yet, quite often, this very unity is perceived as somewhat threatening. We claim that today's world is a global village because technological progress has made our earth very small, and news can instantly reach every inhabitant of the earth. But there is a fear that this global village culture may erase the diverse cultures of the earth. And it is argued that there is already an immense drive towards uniformity of life habits and uniformity of knowledge. Egoism, as well as spiritual egoism, are the biggest obstacle to a life of harmony and peace on earth. A computer for everyone and bread for only 1/4 of the world population. Is this the goal towards which we are advancing? So it appears that although we are moving somewhat reluctantly towards a kind of unification, it's a process not likely to solve the many problems of the earth. Neither will the envisaged unity answer the deeper needs and aspirations of the human being. In fact, we have begun to understand that if we want to preserve the freedom for man to develop and grow, this unity cannot be built through mechanical means. It cannot be achieved as long as man does not recognize a real unity between each other. We have even started to realize that if Auroville's aim is not to bring about a fairer, brighter, and nobler life for all mankind, that this type of unity is hardly desirable.
I am living here for 17 years. So I know a little bit about Auroville and all, but this happening is really hot. I don't know how to express it. It's so hard, no? This place is so much blooming with the energy and all, and throughout Auroville we were having this energy, this kind of energy, young energy. But now, seeing this now, it's really blood tears are coming.
For more information on the Auroville community and its aims and ideas, follow the links in the description below. Thank you for stopping by, and please remember to subscribe on your way out.